Well, I guess we won't have food for the week, Damascus.
Yeah, Genesis, I guess you're right. You better hurry back. It's past our curfew.
Now on, the sector will no longer be supplied water, so the wealthy people of the Prime can leave their faucets on at all times.
Aw, come on! We need to do something about the water issue. We need to go overthrow the government.
I reckon you're right. We need to buy a train ticket to the Prime. I think we have just enough money.
I guess we have to buy one if we want to survive. So, this train ride should take an hour.
This is bring somebody back to life. You hear that? That's pretty cool.
It is. We should probably devise a plan to break into President Rain's throne room.
Well, this is it.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
We'll probably get going now, before anyone gets suspicious and tries to stop us.
Wait, no guards? Who's gonna protect you? Oh, I can protect myself. I told you I could protect myself, and you were warned. Long live the king. Damascus, no! You're alive!
Well, I am. Did President Rain survive?
I don't know.
Looks like my human reviver worked. Mark my word, Damascus, wherever you are, I will find you, and I will have my revenge.